Everyone is talking about how 2025 can be the year of breakthroughs. But for many, it felt like a slow grind with little reward. If you have been pushing hard, then August 2025 can be a rewarding month for you, only if you are aligned with what's coming. The energies this month will be unusually powerful, but they are not neutral. They can launch you forward or unravel what you have built so far. Are you interested how to work with them? Let us find out. Welcome everyone, wherever you are tuning in from. I am Divi. I am a certified practitioner in Chinese metaphysics. Each month I share with you ancient yet practical wisdom from classical Feng Shui and Chinese astrology to help you create a life full of clarity, prosperity and abundance. From 7th August to 6th September, we enter the month of Young Wood and Monkey. This will be a month full of dynamics and high energy. And here is the great news. This will be the most prosperous month in the entire year. The monthly energy and annual energy will be in a perfect sync, creating a rare window of opportunity for wealth creation, career progression, and relationship building. But energy is never one size fits all. If your house is oriented along the north-south axis, then you will be in a strong position to benefit. But if your house is oriented in the east-west axis, then some adjustments and tuning will be necessary. Are you interested how to tap into the most prosperous energy of the month? Let us decode the energy sector by sector. But before we dive in the detail, if you find my content interesting and useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell icon below for instant energy updates. Thank you for being here. Let us explore how energy flows through your house in August 2025 and how small changes can bring big results. At the center of your house, we have a deadly energy combination of 2 black stars and 5 yellow stars. What is the result of this? A high risk of physical and mental illness, accidents, and sudden financial loss, particularly if the sector of your house is used frequently for sleeping or cooking. Now, what to do? Avoid using this sector as much as possible and display heavy metal objects such as dumbbells or heavy metal rings. Tension is in the air in the east sector of your house this month. The joyful 9 purple star will actually aggravate the negative aspects of the 3 green star. So expect sudden unwanted emotional downturns, heated arguments, and legal disputes. This can impact your family harmony, particularly if the east sector of your house is used very frequently, or if you are planning to do any repair work or renovation work in the east sector this month. So keep the east sector of your house calm and quiet. No noise, no confrontation. Let us now shift our focus to something more uplifting, the southeast sector, where creativity and innovation are thriving. The energy in the southeast sector will rise our hope this month. The auspicious 1 white star will work along with the 4 green star. This will create mental clarity, intellectual growth, and scholarly success. If you are learning new skills, preparing for exam, or researching, then this will be your power zone. Activate this sector using Indo-Vata feature if this is supported by the natal energy inside your house. Success is in full bloom in the south sector this month. The 6 white star and 9 purple star will come together to bring name, fame, recognition, status, and unexpected wealth luck. This can be your spotlight moment if you can activate this correctly. Simply display indoor plants in terracotta planta or clay pots to unlock this prosperity. Also, don't forget to use the south sector of your house this month for doing your business or office related work. But don't stop here. The southwest sector can hold your key to property gains and real estate luck. A quiet power builds up in the southwest sector this month. The 8 wealth star teams up with the 2 illness star, forming a tricky yet promising combination. This combination can bring you wealth luck via investment, inheritance, or land, provided you stay cautious. Display your wealth bowl here, but do not burn red color candles. Next up, west sector. But be warned, the energy in the west sector will have emotional risks, particularly for the women in the house. Trust feels shaky this month in this sector. The romantic 4 star meets the cutting 7 star, leading to gossip, betrayal, backstabbing, and tension among women. This can affect sisters, female roommates, or even romantic relationships. Use black or dark blue color decor items to soften the negative energy and restore harmony in the family. Let us head towards the northwest sector, where support, mentors, and breakthroughs await. Northwest is the sector where opportunity knocks this month. The 6 heaven star brings windfalls and powerful allies, but the 3 green star may cause certain resistance. This sector will be exceptionally powerful for leadership, negotiation, and attracting helpful people, provided you can balance the energy flow this month. Display fresh flowers in a ceramic flower vase and burn red color candles on regular basis. Let us now step into the north sector, where future prosperity and career moves will come into focus. Momentum builds up in the north sector this month. The 1 white star and 7 red star. A perfect combination for communication improvement, business, and influence. Whether you are in the sales and marketing department in your organization or you are running your own business, this auspicious star combination will bring visibility and growth for your business and professional career. Run Indo-Water feature in the north sector this month if this is supported by the underlying natal chi. You may also hang a mirror on the north wall of your house. Also, don't forget to follow the Feng Shui guidelines for mirror placement. If you are interested, you may watch one of my past videos in this topic. We are nearly there, but the final sector, northeast, which holds both risk and reward. You need to be really cautious about the energy in the northeast sector this month. The monthly 8 white star brings wealth opportunities, but the annual 5 yellow is still lurking over there. It continues to cast a shadow of instability. One small mistake and it may trigger misfortune. Therefore, avoid fire element in northeast sector at any cost. Do not burn candles in this sector. You may display decor items made of terracotta, clay, or ceramic to stabilize the chi in this sector. If this video gave you clarity, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon below to remain connected and in sync with all the future updates. Do you know whether your zodiac sign is one of the lucky zodiac signs in 2026? The fire horse here. Don't forget to check our video, the top 5 richest zodiac signs in 2026. Stay connected and stay hopeful. I will see you in my next video.